Hey everybody, welcome back to Stack Snacks. I'm John Siwicki, where we try to make AI accessible, exciting, and fun for everybody. So we are going to look at today, in today's video, Microsoft's Copilot inside of Excel. We're going to see what does it do, is it worth the money, and is it worth worth any attention. So let's get into it a little bit here. So recently Microsoft now so their plans are confusing. So they have a Microsoft 365 personal accounts, team accounts, and all that stuff, right? So now they've finally dropped, I think they had a minimum on the professional accounts for Copilot integration, but now it's open for anybody to try. So I signed up for Microsoft 365 Personal, so that was $6.99 a month, and then you could buy the Copilot Pro add-on, and that's $20 a month, and that gets you access to Copilot inside of like Microsoft Office apps, and then also kind of what you kind of see up here on the screen right now. This they have their own kind of, ChatGPT-like interface, which is separate from Bing now, just called Copilot. Which now that they removed it from Bing, it's a little bit more of an enjoyable user experience. But and that kind of, it's very much like the ChatGPT Plus subscription, right? Better access, different models. You get a couple extra bells and whistles, right? So, but I thought it'd be interesting to take a spin and check out the integrations inside of their apps. So we're going to take a look at Excel today. So let's get into a document. And let's go back to home. And okay, so this is a keyword data from the StackSax website. So this isn't the most rich data, but we will take a peek at it and see if we can get Copilot to do anything interesting for us. All right, let's see if we can clear my conversation. Can you clear conversation? Okay, that's fine. Just I wanted to clear its memory because I did a little pre-work here before the video. Okay, so so you get this little kind of AI button down here, and it gives you some ideas on how it can kind of work with your data, right? So let's just run through some examples, try to see what we can do with this. All right, so sort and filter. Only show keywords that have clicks and are in position 1 to 30. So pretty simple. Just run a couple filters, and let's see if you can edit this table here. So now it shows me my. Oh yeah, everyone. Website's hurting. Look at that. Only 2 keywords that are in positions 1 to 30, and then I actually have some clicks. All right, so let's undo that. And then let's go back to this. And then say analyze my data. Analyze the impressions and positions on a graph. I don't know if that's going to look good, but let's see. I mean, it's slightly common sense. Obviously, the higher the position, the more impressions, but let's just say all right. Oh, Yeah, one thing is you've got to have it inside of, so yeah, as soon as you click away data, it says, hey, I can only work in an Excel table. You got to make sure you're always highlighted in your main data. Add a formula column. Let's just ask it how it can help. I can make calculations. All right, let's see. Maybe we get some prompt ideas in here. Calculate total cost. Bold the top 10 values. Highlight the highest value sold. Filter to only show products made in Canada. Okay, so let's see. What else do we got? Devices isn't that bad. Dates. All right, dates are canceled out for some reason. All right, let's see. Can you show me all pages that have 0 clicks but impressions? This would be a good. So we move to a new tables document and okay, so it's going to let me add that to a new sheet. Sorry, I'm having trouble working on the prompt. Let's see if we can run it again. Add it to a new sheet. There we go. Okay, so these are the pages that, if I was trying to figure out, what to work on, I could see, okay, these pages are getting some traction, but they're not getting clicks. So, could be an opportunity for some optimization. Can you remove all the filters on this table? I think I have some filters on it, so let's remove all the filters. There we go. And let's see. Yeah, I mean, this is a sucky data set, but let's see if we just get like... Okay, sort by clicks. I like that it gives you some suggestions. So I got all my 0 clicks right here. Let's ask it some, like, I want it to like kind of help me rather than just do you see any pages that I should improve? I think it just made a top pages thing. Which, okay. Not quite what I was hoping. So it might be just finely tuned on like Excel things. Might not be able to add that layer of like analyze this data. Oh wait. Add a column. I don't really have anything I can add to that column, so let's scratch that. All right, wait. We got countries. Okay, let's see. What countries have the most impressions but no clicks? And can you visualize that for us? I can't do multiple things at once. Oh, okay. Wow. All right, so what countries have the most impressions with no clicks? I look through your data. Wait, what's going on here? I look through your data for this criteria, top country. By total impressions for clicks blank, and there are no matches. I mean, we definitely have countries that don't have clicks. Okay. Huh. Okay. Well, we ran into a roadblock, but so okay, wait, let's see. Can you highlight all the countries that have 0 clicks? There we go. Okay. So we got the red highlight going. That's nice. So I mean that's kind of a look at kind of the Copilot integration. It I don't know, this is one of those weird things where like I enjoyed, it's enjoyable to use it, you know, because you kind of want to see like, you know, it's nice to be able to, when you're doing certain tasks, like just be able to kind of have that natural language conversation with something rather than like, you know, hey, I want to filter this data, you know, remove duplicates, remove anything with zeros. Again, all of that's very accessible in menus and drop downs, but kind of nice just to be able to kind of like get you to that spot you want to get to quicker. You know, it will be interesting to see how people feel about this who are in Excel every day. You know, do they use it? Do they embrace it? Does it slow them down because it's just so good in other parts of Excel? But you know, I think it's a good first step. And you know, okay, they have a little preview tag up there on it, so you know, I mean, it's you know, like again, great first step. I think the price tag's high at the moment. The barrier of entry is high. Hard to justify that for in a non-work setting, right? To have somebody spend almost $30 a month when you can kind of get some functionality with, you know, ChatGPT Plus, which is only $20, and other different tools that allow you to upload some CSVs you can kind of do some stuff with. So, but again, I think the built-in nature of this, I really like. There wasn't a lot of copying and pasting, right, in between ChatGPT windows and your document. So that was kind of nice. But again, I think just for most people, the price tag is going to be hard to justify. But yeah, if anyone's super deep in Excel and is giving this a shot, let us know. I'd love to know those folks' thoughts. And yeah, thanks for joining me today and taking a quick look at this integration. You know, I'm gonna keep playing with it a little bit. So if we find anything more interesting, we'll definitely let everybody know and maybe spin up another video. But thank you all for joining me this time, and have a great day. We'll see you next time.